Gaeilge Gach Lá, it's me Owen or Bitesize Irish, and today I want to show you a really simple tool we have for all Bitesize members, including free taster members. It's the Seinfeld method is the approach, and it's simply, we've got a calendar, it's a PDF download for you, little bits of Irish at the top, and you download it and you mark an X every time you have Gaeilge in your day. And the idea is you don't break the streak. Keep going, keep marking that big red X as you have Gaeilge in your day, if you're listening to it or practicing or saying it or speaking or writing. And as part of Taster membership, we've got the Gaeilge Gach Lá toolkit, which has a series of tools like this calendar to get you to do Gaeilge Gach Lá and to give you inspiration and to find the inspiration within yourself. What motivates you to achieve Gaeilge Gach Lá? I really hope you enjoyed. So if you're a member already, just open in Bitesize Coursey the Gaeilge Gach Lá toolkit, and the calendar is part of that. And if you want to try it out, if you're not yet a member, you can sign up for free for Taster membership. Go to bitesize.irish/free and there's a link for Taster membership there. Slán!